Morning students. Now today we are going to learn about quadrilaterals in basic geometrical ideas. What do you mean of quadrilaterals? A closed figure made up of four line segment is called quadrilateral. Right? Quadrilateral. It has four sides and four angles. Quadrilateral has how many sides? Four sides and four angles. See the given figure is an example of quadrilateral. And it is named in such a manner like A, B, C, D. By two ways we can already naming it. One, clockwise direction, second, anti-clockwise direction. Understood? As it is, if we talk about it, it has four sides like AB, BC, CD and line segment DA, right? As it is four angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So all of you understood about it, and whichever part covered inside it is known as what? Interior, and as it is whichever is outside it is known as what? Exterior of the quadrilateral. Now let's try to learn exercise 4.5. See the first example. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? Now let's try. See the first example of exercise 4.5. Which quadrilateral we have to draw over here? PQRS. Maybe is the one quadrilateral PQRS. And have to draw its diagonals. See, diagonals means what? A line segment which is joining two non-consecutive vertex. Non-consecutive means what? Not continuously, right? Suppose here P, Q are the consecutive points, while P and R are known as what? Non-consecutive, because why? They are not a continuously, right? So here which are the two diagonals? PR, line segment PR and line segment SQ. We can write by both ways, PR or RP, as it is SQ or QR, right? Then after, is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior? See, both are meet at which point? Both diagonals meet here, right? Suppose the point O. So we can, where it is lying? Inside the quadrilateral PQRS. So we can say where diagonals in the interior, right? Meeting point of the diagonals in the interior. Meeting points in the of the diagonals in the interior. Got it? Now let's go with the second example. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN. State two points of opposite sides, two pairs of opposite angles, two pairs of adjacent sides, two pairs of adjacent angles. Now, first of all, draw a figure of one quadrilateral KLMN. Right? Then what is asking? Two pairs of opposite sides. So which are the two pairs? Line segment KL and line segment MN. Right? KL, MN. And which is the another pair? The first pair, right? Second pair KN and LM. Right? Now see the second, two pairs of opposite angles. Opposite angles. Which are the opposite angle? Angle K and angle M. Second angle N and angle L. Right, so are the two pairs of what? Opposite